Pan America 1250 Special. Dimensions: length 2,270 mm, width 975 mm, seat height unladen, low-high seat position 850 mm, 875 mm, ground clearance 175 mm, rake 25, trail 108 mm, wheelbase 1,585 mm, tire type Michelin Scorcher, Adventure, Radial. Tires, front specification 120/70ths R1960V. Tires, rear specification 170/60ths R1772V. Fuel capacity 21.2 L. Oil capacity with filter 4.5 L. Weight, in running order 258 kilograms. Engine Plus. Revolution Max 1250. Bore 105 mm. Stroke 72.3 mm. Displacement 1252 cc. Compression ratio 13.0:1. Fuel System Plus. Electronic Sequential Port Fuel Injection ESPFI. Exhaust 2:-1:-1. Catalyst in header. Engine Torque Testing Method EC 134 2014. Engine Torque Plus 125 Nm. Engine Torque RPM 6,750 horsepower 150 HP 112 kilowatts at 8,750 revolutions per minute. Lean angle right dag 42. Lean angle left dag 42. Fuel Economy Testing Method EU 134 2014. Fuel Economy Plus 5.5 L 100 kilometers. CO2 Emissions Testing Method EU 134 2014. Colorado 2 emissions 127 grams per kilometer CO2. Price $13,999.